What you doing, Peter?
I'm getting on this actual train. It's an actual steam train.
Maybe a little later, we'll see. Yeah.
So this is the whistle.
Yeah, watch out, everything's hot here, so right up there. It takes a good yank. I'll give you a hand. There you go. Good job.
So,
Yeah, he said that's about as big as that. Give me a pass.
that was you. He was so fast. I took the cab.
Is that cool?
Then I
Why?
left after that.
Take a picture.
Okay.
Wait, are you recording?
I am.
Oh. One last whistle.
I got the horn.
I think the whistle. Are those?
Here, give her a pull. I'll give you a little. There you go.
All right.